Step by step to online catering. Once you've entered our website, click on our menu download button as a quick visual guide and menu of all of our catering options. Even if you do know what you're already wanting and you're ready to order, you can get a quote via our online store. To order online, click on the Catering Menus tab to choose Catering Store. You can find categories of our food options in the category section. If there's anything you can't find, scroll down to the search tab and key in an item that you're looking for. Click on the item you're wanting to order, quantity, and add it to the cart. Remember to add some variety with your food options. You can go to the cart at the top of the right-hand corner of your screen, or you can click Update Cart. Choose a date and time you're wanting your catered order to be delivered, and any notes or extra information such as delivery address or customizations you would like us to know. We include multiple payment options. Once you've clicked on the checkout, enter your details and the address of where you would like your catering order to be delivered by our Firenze staff.